Are you tired of staring at your bank statement, wondering where all your money went? Do you find yourself paying for subscriptions you forgot you even had? Rocket Money is an app designed to give you a complete picture of your finances and take control of your spending. And today, we're going to break down its most powerful features. First up is the star of the show, subscription management. Rocket Money securely links to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically identifying all of your recurring payments. From that streaming service you signed up for once to the gym membership you never use, it puts them all in one place. With just a few taps, you can see exactly how much you're spending on subscriptions and, even better, the app will help you cancel the ones you no longer want. No more logging into different websites or waiting on hold with customer service. Rocket Money handles the hard part for you. Next, let's talk about the bill negotiation feature. This is a game changer. Rocket Money can work on your behalf to negotiate better rates on your internet, cable, or phone bills. You simply submit your bill through the app, and their team of experts gets to work, calling the providers and trying to score you a better deal. If they succeed, they take a percentage of the savings as a fee, but if they don't, you don't pay a thing. It's an effortless way to potentially save hundreds of dollars a year. But Rocket Money is more than just a savings tool. It's a comprehensive financial hub. The app provides a detailed view of your spending, categorizing your transactions so you can see exactly where your money is going. It helps you create and stick to a budget, sends you alerts for things like upcoming bills or low balances, and even helps you set up a personalized savings plan. It can also track your credit score and your net worth, giving you a full, real-time snapshot of your financial health. With Rocket Money, you're not just managing your money, you're taking back control of it. You're building a clear path toward your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or simply feeling more confident about your finances. It's about making your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.